'cause I've never been having this kind of feelings for someone like you. So I have to let you know that you show that you haven't loved someone before, and that's what scares me. So what could we be? And maybe you think that you know how to love, but let me tell you, dear, it can get rough. I know I love you, but can you love me? So let me see, can you love me? Can you love me? Oh, can you love me? Ooh, oh, oh, oh. One, you could be self-destructive, and I'm barely healed, but I have to be strong, 'cause I know it's wrong to choose your love over mine. But does that mean I won't give you a chance to let you try to live a romance? I know I love you, but can you love me? So let me see, can you love me? Can you love me? Oh, can you love me? Ooh, oh, oh, oh. And maybe you think that you know how to love, but let me tell you, dear, it can get rough. I know I love you, but can you love me? So let me see, can you love me? Can you love me? Oh, can you love me? Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Even if we might take this chance, what will happen to all our friends? Is it why they say that I should just walk away today? That we should just stay like we are now, and we'll be okay. Today, feeling all alone on a Saturday night, missing that kind of joy. My pain was just a few weeks old, so I already want a boy. So when we met on a Tuesday night and talked a little about our lives and all that stuff, I saw that you wanted me, and that made me want you. Be patient, everything will be a lot more clear. Just wait and see. You have to feel the pain and wait before you should go out and date. I'm sorry, but I can't love you, not even me, love. It was a mistake, one I shouldn't have made, so we have to let it go, boy. Can you play it cool, boy? I know it was wrong, but I just wasn't strong. Just wasn't strong. 2 weeks, yes, I thought about you, idealizing all these things, but letting us think that I could do this now, it really stings, wow. So that's why I called you on the middle of the day. I believe it was the first day when I told you about what happened to me, but hurting you is not my plan. Oh, be patient, everything will be a lot more clear. Just wait and see. You have to feel the pain and wait before you should go and date. I'm sorry, but I can't love you, not even me, love. It was a mistake, one you shouldn't have made, so we have to let it go, boy. Can you play it cool, boy? I know friends say it was a good lesson for me. I know it's true, but I don't want to see the look on your face. We talk a bit, so please dear, can you quit? I'm sorry, but I can't love you, not even me, love. It was a mistake, one I shouldn't have made, so we have to let it go, boy. Can you play it cool, boy? I know it was wrong, but I just wasn't strong. I'm sorry, but I can't